So, good morning everyone. Today I want to talk to you about something vital for our future, the renewable energy. As we face increasing environmental challenge, understand and embracing renewable energy is more important than ever. So, what is renewable energy? Renewable energy comes from sources that are natural, such as sunlight, wind, and water, and also the environmental benefits. One of the most significant advantage of renewable energy is its positive impact on the environment and also the economic benefits. Beyond environmental benefits, renewable energy also offers significant economic advantage. The future of renewable energy. The future of energy is undoubtedly renewable as the technology advances. Renewable energy source will become more efficient and affordable. So the last one is conclusion. In conclusion, renewable energy is not just an option. It offers environmental, economic, and social benefits that are essential for a sustainable future. Let's embrace renewable energy and work together to build a cleaner and healthy world. Thank you.